Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Having trouble with mail merge in Outlook? It can be frustrating when your personalized emails just won't send out. Often, the problem starts with your data source. First, make sure your Excel spreadsheet or Word document containing the addresses and information is completely closed before you begin the mail merge process. Next, carefully check that your column headers in Excel are clear, unique, and easy for Word to understand, like first name or email address. Word needs these to correctly map the fields. Go back to the Mail Merge tab in Word and confirm your field matching is accurate. Did you preview your results before attempting to send? Sometimes the merge looks fine, but the data isn't pulling into the fields correctly. Also, ensure Outlook is definitively set as your default email program on your computer. If it's not, Word cannot hand off the emails for sending. Watch out for security prompts from Outlook itself. It might be asking for permission to send emails on your behalf. You must grant that access quickly when it appears. If you're still really stuck and direct sending isn't working, don't give up. Instead of sending directly from Word, try merging to individual documents or a single new document first. This creates separate personalized files or one long document with all your merged content. You can then manually copy and paste each personalized message into an Outlook email one by one. Or, if you're sending attachments, save the merged documents as PDFs and attach them individually. This reliable workaround gives you more control and helps bypass common Outlook integration issues. Double-check everything, step by step, and you'll get your mail merge working efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.